Hello my dear friends, welcome to Recipe Fever Vlogs. It looks so tempting, isn't it? So today I'm gonna show you how to make a Bigg Boss chicken. Sounds funny and crazy, right? This is a fried chicken roast recipe which is a great combo for ghee rice, pulao and any kind of rotis. So guys, watch the video fully to know about this special Bigg Boss chicken recipe. Let's get started. For that, first we need to marinate and fry the chicken. So I have taken half kg of boneless chicken which I have cleaned and washed well with the turmeric powder. So to this, let's add 3 tablespoon curd, juice of half lemon, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2.5 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala, quarter teaspoon pepper powder, a pinch of asafoetida powder, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon rice flour, 2 tablespoon corn flour, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Guys, now let's mix all these well such that the masala coats well with the chicken pieces. Tada! This is done. So let's close it and keep it for marination for 1 hour in room temperature. It's been 1 hour now and I have kept a kadai with enough oil along with 3 tablespoons of butter for heating. So, I will now add the marinated chicken pieces one by one to the hot oil. Let's fry the chicken pieces on a low-medium flame throughout. Within 5 minutes, you can see that the chicken pieces are cooked well. So, let's take it and add the remaining batches of chicken. Similarly, let's fry all the chicken pieces. Next, let's make the masala for our Bigg Boss chicken. For that, I have kept a heavy bottom kadai for heating. Now, let's add 3 tablespoons of oil that we used to fry the chicken pieces. Now to this hot oil, I will add quarter teaspoon fenugreek powder and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. We will saute this in the oil for 2 minutes so that the raw smell goes from it. It's been 2 minutes now, so let's add 5 onions that are cut into long slices. Also, to cook the onions fast, let's add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix everything well. Guys, we need to cook these onions until they become soft and transparent. It's been 5 minutes now since we added the onions. You can see that the onions are half cooked. So, at this stage, let's add 1 teaspoon of sugar to the onions and continue to saute them. Adding sugar will help the onions to caramelize and enhance the taste of this recipe. It's been 10 minutes and the onions are cooked well. So, let's add 3 tomatoes that are cut into long slices. Let's cook this on a medium flame for 10 minutes so that the tomatoes become soft and gets cooked well. Ding ding! This is done. So, let's add the masalas now starting with 2.5 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder and 1 teaspoon garam masala. Now, let's mix all these well and add 2 bunches of fresh curry leaves. Let's cook the masala on a low flame for 5 minutes. Now you can see that the masala has cooked well. So, let's add half cup of water and mix everything well. We will cook this again for another 5 minutes. This is done. So, let's add our fried chicken pieces to the masala. Guys, we will mix everything well such that the masala coats well with the chicken pieces. Then, let's add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now, let's mix all the chicken pieces well with the ghee. Finally, let's add few more curry leaves and close it with a lid. Guys, we will cook this for 5 more minutes on a low flame so that all the flavors get induced in the chicken pieces. Fingers crossed. Here comes the moment. Let's open the lid. Oh my goodness, it looks fantastic. Guys, let's give it a mix and switch off the stove. Ta-da! Our special Big Boss chicken is ready to be served. Guys, do try this Big Boss chicken recipe and enjoy it with your loved ones. Also, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and select all to get instant notifications of such new recipes. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this recipe with everyone you know. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.